I'm here at the Lake Stevens Triplex, just 2 blocks from the lake. It is 3 units, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a smaller 2-bed, 1-bath, which I'm in now, that is vacant, and a 1-bed, 1-bath. The 3-bed and the 1-bed are currently leased up with really good tenants and property management in place. All units are renovated, and the 2-bed, 1-bath is vacant, ready to owner occupy or rent out. I will show you that now. Here is the 2-bed, 1-bath. We enter into the kitchen with new cabinets and quartz countertops, laundry, and LVP flooring. And then a nice bathroom with tub. This is again one of the smaller units, 2-bed, 1-bath unit. Here is the larger of the 2 bedrooms. You could fit a queen or king size bed here. And then smaller bedroom, probably a full bed, or use it as a home office. And here's Unit C of the Lake Stevens Triplex. We walk into the kitchen, very light and bright with new cabinets, new LVP flooring, new appliances, a bedroom, and full bath with stand-up shower. This is the largest unit, the 3-bedroom unit up top. The other 2 units are smaller, a 1-bedroom unit and a 2-bedroom unit. This unit does have cathedral ceilings, which are beautiful here on this upper level. Give you a ton of space in the living room. Let's take a look at the storage here. And then bedroom. This is one of the larger bedrooms. It's got a closet. Lots of windows for tons of natural light. And attached ensuite bath. Out to the Cascade Mountains. Here's Unit A. It's the smallest unit, just 1 bedroom, right in the front of the house. It does have this really nice covered porch though that we're walking into. And over here, we do have laundry. Each unit here has its own separate laundry, no shared laundry all the way through, which is really nice and not very common. Here we have Unit A. It's the smallest 1-bedroom unit. We have a little living room here with couch. Nice, spacious, remodeled kitchen. 1 bathroom, also remodeled, LVP floors, a new carpet, and then 1 bedroom right here with a closet. That's the triplex. If you're interested in learning more about it, just send me a message. Peace.